So in the previous video, we took a look at how to create a PDF intended for print. In this version, we'll take a look at how you create a screen-only PDF. So this is not to be intended for print. You'll head back up to the top right-hand side, back to the share button, left-click on there. Again, choose Quick Export as PDF. But in that submenu, you're going to choose smallest file size. Again, it'll ask me for a name, and I'll save it in my Total Film folder, but I will call this screen to differentiate between the two, and then click on save. Back to the export a PDF dialog box. Again, it tells us up here that we're using the smallest file size. If you wish to, you can export all. You can choose a range in there. I will leave it set to all, but in this case, I'm going to choose spreads. Again, because this is intended to be viewed on screen, not in print, we want to make sure that with spreads turned on, it's going to give us the equivalent of viewing 2 pages at the same time of a magazine. In terms of viewing, under here, then what I would suggest is you choose fit page, and that's in the view. So what that means is that when Acrobat or the PDF reader opens up on screen, that it'll make sure the pages fit on screen. That way that you can guarantee that the reader will see all of the page. Nothing will be missing. If the window's too small, then they really ought to know to make the window bigger. So that is what I would suggest. From here then, you click on compression, and it's going to tell us that if it finds any images that are above 150 ppi, it will downgrade them to the lower quality of 100. It really depends here what you wish to go for. If you believe that this work is going to be viewed on a standard desktop display, then these options for the PPI will be absolutely fine. If, however, you want this to look good on a high definition screen, like an iPad or an iMac 27-inch, for example, then just increase the top value to 150. That will generate a PDF for you where the quality is fit for purpose. But from here, I'll leave it as it is. What we will do, though, is we will not leave that set to a low quality JPEG. Set that to high, and at least that way, then we're going to have some good looking JPEG files in our artwork. With that done, click on export. And again, here you can see that we have the screen version PDF. So to be perfectly honest, it will look more or less exactly the same as the print version for now. Acceptable to view on screen. It provides a decent viewing experience. The chances are you'll be able to email this to submit it, but it will be a lot smaller in data size than the print version. And that is how you export to a screen-based PDF.